Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error. I got this error when I was working in a React.js project. I will read the error message for you. sh colon React scripts command not found. I got this error in my React.js project. I will explain the scenario where I got this error. When I run the command npm start, when I try to execute the command npm start to run my React.js application, I got this error. sh React scripts command not found. So, how can we solve this issue? I will explain two methods. You can go with the one by one, then it will be solved. First method is execute this command npm install. If you are in Mac OS, Linux, if you are using yarn instead of npm, then instead of executing npm install, you can execute yarn install. Execute any one of these two commands. Okay, then you execute npm start, because by executing this command it will install or update all the dependency used in your package.json file for your project. npm install or yarn install. Execute this command. After that, start your project with the npm start. Your problem will be solved. If it still exists, you have to execute this command rm-rf node modules. It will remove your node modules folder from your project. At the same time, you can delete package-lock.json file also. You can manually delete this file from your root directory. In the root directory, you have this file package-lock.json file. And you execute this command, which will remove node_modules from your root directory of your project, and manually delete this file package-lock.json file from your root directory of your project. Then execute the same command again, npm install or yarn install. You can delete node_modules by executing this command, or you can directly delete node_modules from your root directory. In VS Code, you can see node_modules file folder in the root directory of your project. Or you can execute this command, delete this file, and execute this command again. Any one of the command based on your package manager. If you are using npm package manager, use npm install, or yarn, then yarn install. Okay, so go with the first option. If it doesn't solve your issue, go with the second option. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.